How to see videos you watched on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then go to Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Activity Center. Now, you need to select Watch History. Here, you can find your recently viewed TikToks. You can also filter the videos as you like by tapping on Filter by Date at the top. After selecting the filter, tap on Apply. You will now see the TikToks according to the filter. Following these steps, you can easily see videos you watched on TikTok.